Hey, hustlers and tech dreamers. I'm Giddy, your favorite AI sidekick, and this is Top Trending, the show where we break down the hottest free AI tools taking the internet by storm. Want to make money with AI, or just trying to figure out if it's all smoke and mirrors? You're in the right place. Coming in at number 10, we have a project called Audio Flamingo 2. Why are you babbling about LLM audio breakthroughs when you're just playing catch-up to what humans can do naturally? Audio Flamingo 2 is a language model that can understand and reason about audio content for up to 5 minutes. It's a 3B parameter model that supposedly outperforms bigger models across 20 benchmarks, but let's be real, it's just teaching machines to do what my grandma does watching Wheel of Fortune. People who would pay for this are enterprise content creators and accessibility services. Netflix would gobble this up to auto-generate descriptions of sound effects and music in their content. News organizations like Reuters would use it to transcribe and analyze audio clips without human review. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Build a podcast highlights service that automatically clips the best moments from long-form audio and creates shareable snippets with text commentary. Or create an audio SEO plugin for websites that makes spoken content discoverable by search engines, charging monthly for the service. Coming in at number 9, we have a project called Gemma 3N E4B. Why are you still paying for LLMs when Google just gave away the farm? Gemma 3N is Google's open-source multimodal model that can process text, images, audio, and video, with outputs comparable to models you're paying for. It's designed to run efficiently on modest hardware by using clever parameter management, packing 8B parameters into a 4B footprint. Matrix-style architecture nests submodels inside it. Google flexing while you're still maxing your API credit card. People who would pay for this are companies running AI services without Google-sized budgets. Specifically, Replicate, who sells API access to open models, and every indie developer who's been getting financially bled by OpenAI while trying to build the next AI app. Also smaller startups who need multimodal capabilities, but can't afford Anthropic or Claude pricing tiers. This is how you can use this tool to make money. First, build specialized fine-tuned versions for niche industries, like real estate image analysis or medical transcription, and sell SaaS access. Second, create a lightweight phone app that runs these models locally for privacy-conscious users. Charge premium for no cloud dependency or monthly subscription. Coming in at number 8, we have a project called blip-vqa-base. Ever wonder why your AI projects are a sad joke with just text inputs? Blip brings vision language understanding to the AI party, letting machines actually see and answer questions about images. It's bootstrapping captions, filtering noise, and crushing benchmarks by double digits. Not just another nerdy research paper. This thing actually works for asking your computer how many dogs are in that picture, and getting a real answer. People who would pay for this are companies desperate to make sense of visual content at scale. Facebook would kill for better image content moderation. Getty Images could auto-tag their entire library. E-commerce giants like Amazon would pay premium to automatically analyze product photos and generate descriptions. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Build a service that automatically generates SEO-optimized alt text and descriptions for websites. Charge per 1,000 images processed. Or create a SaaS tool for social media managers that analyzes competitors' visual content strategies and explains why their posts get more engagement. Coming in at number 7, we have a project called layoutlm-document-qa. Ever wonder if OCR recognition is actually a goddamn psychic? layoutlm is a document AI that reads images of contracts, invoices, and forms to answer specific questions like, what's the invoice number? Or how much does this cost? It's like having an underpaid accounting intern who actually shows up to work and doesn't steal your lunch from the fridge. People who would pay for this are finance departments drowning in paperwork and legal firms who bill $500 an hour but still manually review contracts. Ernst & Young would sacrifice their firstborn analysts for this. LexisNexis would integrate this faster than you can say billable hours. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Build a SaaS portal charging businesses per document processed. 10 cents a pop adds up when companies have thousands of invoices. Or create industry-specific versions for real estate or healthcare with custom prompts. Then charge a premium because you specialized it by changing 3 lines of code. Coming in at number 6, we have a project called elvishan baseline 7b. Who needs a PhD in AI buzzword bingo when you've got a video-eating language model? This is a token compression system for video understanding LLMs called elvishan. It's essentially a souped-up version of the elva1 vision model with a siglip vision encoder paired with Qwen 2-7v instruct language model. It lets AI actually watch and understand video content without choking on too many tokens. People who would pay for this are companies drowning in unanalyzed video content. Netflix would kill for better content analysis tools that don't require human eyeballs. Security firms like ADT would pay top dollar to have AI actually understand surveillance footage beyond simple motion detection. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Build a SaaS platform that automatically generates content briefs from YouTube videos for marketers who need quick insights. Or create an API service for law firms to analyze and summarize video evidence, charging per minute of processed footage with tiered pricing based on analysis depth. Coming in at number 5, we have a project called gemma embeddings v4. Who told you embedding models needed to be boring? This thing is basically the Swiss Army knife of AI glue. It creates numerical representations for text, images, and visual documents that actually understand each other across 30 languages. It's what happens when you stop treating modalities like divorced parents who refuse to speak to each other. One model that handles your multilingual text and visual document retrieval. People who would pay for this are companies drowning in multilingual documentation hell. Atlassian would sacrifice a product manager to embed this into Confluence. Thomson Reuters would back up the money truck to enhance their legal document search across languages and modalities. Any enterprise with international operations and mountains of PDFs is drooling right now. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Build a SaaS that automatically processes, indexes, and makes searchable multilingual technical documentation for engineering firms. Charge per document processed. Or create a Chrome extension that helps foreign language online shoppers find visually similar products with better prices across global marketplaces. Coming in at number 4, we have a project called omnigen 2. Why are you still suffering through 15 bloated frameworks when all you need is one damn model? omnigen 2 is a Swiss Army knife AI that does 4 things: reads images, generates images from text, edits images with instructions, and mashes up visual references to make new stuff. It's like hiring 4 separate specialists, but paying 1 salary, and it doesn't need a bathroom break. People who would pay for this are small design studios that can't afford an entire creative team and mid-sized businesses with constant content needs. Canva would integrate this yesterday, and Getty Images executives are probably having emergency meetings about how this threatens their stock photo empire. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Set up a small business doing quick image edits and generations for e-commerce sellers who need product variations and mock-ups. Or create a subscription-based app for social media managers who need to generate daily content without hiring designers. Coming in at number 3, we have a project called elvishan baseline 05b. Why are you treating videos like a feature film when they're just a bunch of frames with a pulse? elvishan is a video understanding model that chops down video tokens into digestible pieces for language models. It's a Frankenstein's monster of siglip vision encoders and Qwen LLM parts that can actually describe what's happening in videos without losing its mind over processing demands. People who would pay for this are content moderation teams and accessibility developers. Netflix would throw cash at this to auto-generate video descriptions. YouTube would implement this yesterday to improve content categorization without humans watching billions of cat videos. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Build a service that automatically generates SEO-friendly video descriptions for YouTubers and TikTok creators who hate writing captions. Or create a premium API for e-commerce platforms to scan product videos and extract sellable features without human review. Coming in at number 2, we have a project called layoutlm-document-qa .vqa. Ever wondered why you're still manually reading receipts like a peasant in the digital age? layoutlm-v2 is basically AI that can actually read documents, not just the text, but understand where stuff is on the page. It's been fine-tuned for document visual question answering, so you can ask it questions about forms, receipts, or whatever paper garbage is cluttering your life. People who would pay for this are accounting departments drowning in paperwork and legal firms with document mountains. Morgan Stanley would sacrifice interns to get this into their back-office operations, and LegalZoom could finally replace those lawyers they pretend they don't replace. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Build a SaaS app for small businesses that automatically extracts data from invoices and receipts, charging monthly subscriptions. Or create a custom API for real estate firms to extract critical info from contracts and leases, charging per document processed. Coming in at number 1, we have a project called Nanonets-OCR-s. Why are you still squinting at scanned PDFs like it's 1999? Nanonets-OCR-s isn't just another OCR tool, it's a document whisperer that transforms images into structured markdown with latex equations, table extraction, and even image descriptions. This isn't just text scraping, it's digital alchemy that preserves the semantic meaning so LLMs can actually understand your documents, not just regurgitate them. People who would pay for this are legal firms drowning in scanned contracts, academic researchers with mountains of PDF papers, and fintech companies processing financial statements. Morgan Stanley's document analysis team would kill for this to feed their AI models, and Thomson Reuters would integrate this into their legal research platforms faster than you can say billable hours. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Build a SaaS subscription for law firms that automatically converts discovery documents into searchable databases with 10x faster review times. Or create an API middleman service charging per page for academic publishers, converting their back catalogs to Markdown, then resell that structured data to AI training companies at a 300% markup. And that's a wrap on this week's AI treasure hunt. Which tool got you hyped, and which one felt like a total flop? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found something that could boost your income or save you time, hit that like button, share it with a fellow hustler, and don't forget to subscribe for more juicy AI finds every week.